Hello mga kasuroy! Welcome to the People's Park here in Davao City. As a part of my goal as a new content creator, as a small content creator, itutour ko kayo dito sa city namin. And also hopefully in Mindanao someday. I want to promote our local tourism and also to break yung stigma, the negative informations na kumakalat dito sa amin sa Mindanao. And ito na nga, this is one of the tourist spot, an eco park here in Davao City. Actually, nasa middle to ng city and was inaugurated on December of 2007. Up until today, it's still well maintained and yung simoy ng hangin, it's very fresh. Kasi nga napapalibutan to ng mga kahoy. And alam nyo, ang daming tourist spots here in Davao City and in Mindanao na unknown sa mass or sa people. Yung, kumbaga, hindi siya na-feature talaga because of the negative information na pinapakalat sa social media and mainstream media. Nakakasad, no? Kapwa mo Pilipino ang sumisira sa bayan mo. I hope mawala na yan someday, no? Yung toxic traits ng mga Pilipino. Kasi dapat tayo din ang magtulungan, hindi yung tayo lang din ang sisiraan. Nakakalungkot talaga. And, you know, the negative impact of it is yung panghanap buhay ng mga ordinaryong tao na hindi naman nila alam kung ano talaga yung mga bad na nangyayari. Yung they're just there, living their life and working. Pero because of the negative information na pinapakalat ng mismong kapwa natin Pilipino, nawawalan sila ng hanap buhay, nakakalungkot. Kasi, ayun, wala silang pagkain. And that's the reason why the niche that I selected as a content is yung ganito, magtutour-tour, kahit palakad-lakad lang, you know. And my goal is to help the Mindanaoans na ma-break yung stigma na pinapakalat ng mga, you know, kapwa Pilipino pa natin na nandadaon.